Hey everybody, Drew here, and you're with me at my shop. Just going to show you guys the short and sweet version of how to reset the oil maintenance light in a 2007 through 2011 Honda CRV. So first of all, we're going to turn the key so the car's on, where like you can hear the fan running and all that jazz. So not radio, but like on. Don't start it, and press the odometer button until you get to oil life. So like cycle through like that. And you're going to hold it. And the reason this video is important is because you have to hold it obnoxiously long. If you try every which way, you're going to blow like a half hour screwing around. So hold it. It's over 10 seconds. And then you're going to twist it, because if cancel's blinking, it's just going to reset it. And yeah, so now oil life is blinking. Press that button one more time. Now 100% is blinking. This one's obviously already been reset, but if that was any percentage less than 100, you would then hold it again for about 10 seconds. This will be self-explanatory once, that screen comes and it's reset. Absolutely overkill how long Honda made you have to hold the button there, but that's the simple way to do it. That's what this channel is all about. It's the simple, straightforward approach. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps the internet direct people to it that would find it useful. And if you like the approach of just short, sweet, no filler, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because that's what we do. Take care and God bless. Bye.